Hi students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I discuss about HTML list. After watching this video, you should be able to create an unordered list, ordered list and definition list, etc. The HTML lists are classified into three: unordered list, ordered list and definition list. We can combine these lists in a nested order, so it is called a nested list. HTML support various elements for various lists. Most of the list elements are composed of one or more list items. For unordered list, UL tags are used. For ordered list, OL tags are used. For the definition list, we use DL tag. As I already said, the list elements are composed of one or more list elements. LI tag is used for list item elements. Look at more detail about list. An unordered list. For unordered list, we use UL tag. The below code demonstrates a simple unordered list with two list items. These list items start with list mark bullet. Browsers will usually change the list mark in the nested list. The unordered list, we use a type attribute which defines how to see the list marker. It has three possible values: disk, by default value is disk, circle and square. The example I listed here is using a list item with list marker square for displaying the list marker as square. Next, move on. Ordered list. In ordered list, the list item in the list are numbered automatically by the browser. Consider an example here I listed uses three list items which are numbered 1, 2, 3. You have the choice of setting the type attribute to here, which have many values, possible values I listed in the table. Type equal to 1 for 1, 2, 3 numbers. Type is equal to A for lower case of alphabets. Type is equal to capital letter A for upper alphabets. Type is equal to small letter I for lower Roman numerals. Type is equal to capital letter I for upper Roman numerals. You can also use start attribute for setting the starting number of an ordered list. Consider an example which I listed here uses start attribute. Can you guess the output of this program code? Yes. In this example, I uses two ordered list. The first ordered list, I only uses the type attribute which equal to small letter I, which indicate that the list item start with Roman numeral, small letter, small Roman numerals. And in my second ordered list, I uses two attributes. First one is type equal to small letter I and start equal to 3, which means my list started with 3 Roman numerals. The output is shown look like this. Next, we move on definition list. Definition list is another type of HTML list. This kind of list is different from the others. For definition list, we use DL tag. This consists of one or more definition term DT element followed by one or more definition description element DD element. Consider the definition list which I mentioned here is a definition of HTML and a definition of dogs are listed by using the definition list. Inserting a list into another list which forms a nesting of list. Consider the example here. First, an unordered list is nested with an ordered list. What will be the output of this program code? Have you write down the output? Yes, this output is look like this format. This is our second lab question. Predict the output for the following code. The output is shown look like this. The lab question number 3. Create an HTML page with using 3 types of list element: ordered, unordered, definition list. I conclude my topic. Today I discussed the list items: ordered list, unordered list, definition list, etc. Thank you.